Is that a Subaru?
Well, here we are with the buggy and the Death Star. We were up at the entrance to Hell's Revenge. And we were with our boys from Moab Side-by-Side Garage. Because what are we doing today? We're taking a Subaru on Hell's Revenge. They're taking a Subaru on Hell's Revenge. We're just here to spectate. But I mean, come on, check out this Subaru.
It's got a hood stack.
It's got rock sliders. But yeah, the hood stack that's key. That's everything right there.
Between that and the Mohawk, it ought to get us up hills.
Dude, I think that Mohawk's, I don't think there's anything that can stop you today.
That's right. That's right.
Spicy line.
Yeah.
Nicely done.
Front, middle, and back. That's how you do it.
Dude, that dirt bar just works sweet.
I'll record it from the bottom if you get it from the top, Mike.
That was fun. I need a little bit more horsepower in there, but
hey, whatevs.
Yeah, no, we're gonna keep on going. We're gonna go hit the hot tubs next.
Technically, they got more torque in reverse.
I bet you that's something Jeff would love to do.
Like, so they're showing off. Unnecessary front dig.
Dude, there's Sean way out there. He finally caught up with us. Well, the Subaru kind of made Hell's Gate. Kind of ran out of oomph there at the top. I had to come around and pull it up. But we got it up, and now we are headed over to the big hot tub to see what we can do with the Subaru. Nicely done. not fair.
I know, right?
Alright.
You ready to run? Yeah. Dude, are you sure this is a good idea?
No.
Everything's a great idea.
What the
Stuffed it. Rory's coming. Right there. Light work.
That's ridiculous.
What do you think?
That's wild.
You ever seen that before?
I've never seen anybody crawl out of a hot tub like that.
Yeah.
That's pretty impressive.
What?
You guys are fine. You guys are fine.
Nice. Alright, they are heading up the exit of the escalator. Run away!
Nicely done.
With ease.
no. Hey, you can't park there. I'll throw you a winch line.
Keep you guys cool. Yeah, that's what it is. What up, dog?
All your fuel's on the one side.
I'm out of fuel. Turn faster a little.
No hands.
Man, I walk away for 2 minutes.
See ya.
Watch Mike come down that super hard line. See that? Made it. No
You gotta put your
rollover.
wings out.
Your wings. Right there, right in the center. Yeah, dude.
Dude, you had it.
I know.
This may void your warranty, I'm just saying. Yeah, back tire's looking a little rough. It's got that rear steer option.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here it is. It drove itself onto the trailer.
You know it. That was it.
It's had a rough day though. Oof. Yeah, not as pretty on this side.
Are we taking this right to the scrapyard?
No, I'm taking the engine out of it. We're taking the scrap yard.
All right, we're at the 4th of July parade down here in Moab. We are getting all lined up and ready to head out.
Here we go in the parade. Come on, wife, kids, people everywhere.
Thank you.
I don't know, just throw candy. Get ready to fire. Oh, you guys got a lot of people.
Keep holding.
My soda. All right, out for a Sunday drive.
Done.